Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Playable Ad Editor tutorial. In this session, we'll guide you through the process of adding and configuring sprites for your overlays. Let's kick off by adding a time-related overlay at the beginning of the video, spanning till the end. This overlay will be visible throughout the playable ad. Click Add Sprite, then hit Upload to add images. Upload all the images you intend to use in your playable ad and select the desired image. Now, you have a range of options to configure for the sprite: position, anchor, visibility, scale, rotation, alpha, action, and animation. Begin with scale and position. Use the relative to screen short edge scale type, setting the scale to 0.35. This means the sprite will be 35% of the shortest edge of the screen. Adjust the position to y equals 0.5 for the bottom position. Update the Y anchor to the bottom by unchecking relative to screen to align the image at the bottom of the screen. Set the action to Open Action URL. This means that when users click the sprite, the associated action URL will be triggered. Introduce a scale animation for the sprite. Define the destination scale, duration, yo-yo effect, easing function, and repetition amount. Use -1 for infinity. Explore the visibility property. If set to on portrait, the sprite is visible only in portrait mode. If set to on landscape, it's visible only in landscape mode. Visible makes it visible in both modes. Now, create another overlay that pauses the video. Add a sprite, set its position, add a scale animation, and set the action to resume video. This configuration pauses the video, displays the sprite with animation, and waits for user interaction on the sprite. To try out the playable ad, hit the play button in the bottom right corner, and the playable will start. That wraps up this tutorial on adding and configuring sprites for overlays. In our next video, we'll delve into saving and opening projects. Stay tuned for more insights.